Today I'm teaching you how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. First, you're going to want to make sure that you have an actual account on Coinbase. Also make sure that it's ID verified, since it might stop you from buying any cryptocurrency on this website. Once you've done that, the second thing you're going to want to do is make sure you actually have a payment method. So the payment method I have right now is PayPal, but if you don't have one, don't worry. Just click Pay With, then hit Add Payment Method, and you can choose any of these payment methods you'd like. So since I already have one, I don't really need to do that. I can skip that step. What you're going to see on your homepage is the balance that you have. As you can see, I have $34.70. This is good as it's enough money to actually buy one of these cryptocurrencies. What you're going to want to do is hit the search button up here, type in Dogecoin, and it should be one of the highest ones. As you can see, Dogecoin right over here. Go ahead and click that. And then it'll lead you to the cryptocurrency and a place where you can buy it. So what I'm going to do is buy it with USDC, as I have $26 in USDC that I can transfer into Bitcoin. I'm going to transfer $1 worth. And I'm going to hit review order. And keep in mind there is a 2-cent fee because we don't have membership. But regardless, I don't have membership either, and I'm just going to be buying it with the fee. Then you're going to want to click buy now, and then you're going to want to wait a few seconds to make sure this order has gone through. So it's going to say order submitted, but soon this paper and check mark is going to turn into a check mark, just like that. And then it says trade successful. But what I like to do after every trade is make sure I actually received the cryptocurrency. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to my assets. And if you don't see it here, you're going to have to see all. And once you've done that, as you can see, we now own Dogecoin. If this helped you out, consider subscribing.